Good morning and God bless you. Amaryllis man reporting for duty. Wanted to talk with you briefly about offsetting. As you can see, this is an example of bulbs that have put up offsets, and we're getting close to the fall, so that might be a good time to harvest your offsets. At least you won't disturb the mother bulb in the middle of the growing season. So the fall is a good time, but actually any time the offsets are large enough to put off their own roots, they can be broken off from the mother bulb and given a pot of their own. This is a good example. Maybe you can see the roots there on the offsets. So they could be broken off and potted. And isn't it amazing how small this bulb is, about less than the size of a nickel, and has put off 2 offsets that have roots. Maybe that's a little early for breaking them off from their mother bulb, but you don't have to be real careful about when, spring, summer, winter, fall, as long as you've got roots of their own on the offsets. So maybe that'll be a little tip for you to help you. Come see us on our eBay store. It's getting close to time to order your fall bulbs, and we have them available on this website, amaryllisman.com. Get your order in quickly before the bulbs are gone. Talk to you a little later. Bye-bye.